What is an opportunity? An opportunity is the right circumstance that creates the need for a new business, product, or service. Finding the opportunity is difficult. It takes numerous ideas, feedback, research, and most importantly, timing to find the right opportunity. The key to finding the right opportunity is identifying the product or service that people are willing to buy. It makes no sense to come up with a business opportunity with no market and that no one is willing to buy. There are 4 essential qualities to recognize an opportunity. The opportunity must be attractive in the market, must be stable, timing does matter, and the opportunity has to add value to the buyer. So how do you identify opportunities? There are 4 trends that you have to observe and study. The first is economic factors. Pay attention to the economy. What are people's spending habits and what are people's disposable income levels? Second, study the social and cultural trends. What is in? What is growing in popularity? And remember, pay attention to the trend, not the latest fad. Third, technology advances. Pay attention to the latest technology available and emerging technologies. And lastly, pay attention to the political and regulatory changes. New laws and regulations are consistently changing at the federal, state, and local levels, and you have to stay on top of it. The last thing you want to do is create a product and industry with tough regulations. In addition to the qualities and trends, remember that the opportunity has to solve a problem and fill the gaps in the marketplace, because doing so gives your opportunity a higher possibility of becoming a business.